Hey, what's up, sliders and gliders? Hey, man, if you're new to the channel, I'm your boy, Clutch C. And if you are already a subscriber, male or female, hey, thanks for rocking with me. So as you can see on my bike, man, hey, today is my birthday. I'm gonna take a birthday ride. I'm probably gonna slide to the dealership where I bought my bike. The guy told me to come on my birthday. The day is March 2nd. And as you can see, man, the weather is beautiful. It's a nice windy day, right at about 70 degrees. So hey man, I'm gonna slide and just enjoy this day. I hope your day is going great. Hey, come on, slide with me. Hey, we sliding, baby. Whoa, did you see that? He just wouldn't slow down. Man, you gotta keep your head on the swivel out here. I don't need no trouble on my birthday. I don't need no trouble on any ride. But man, like I said at the end, you got to keep your head on the swivel, boy. People act like they just don't see you. And you just have to assume that they don't see you. Even though I was right in front of him. So it's a beautiful day. When I left out a few minutes ago, it was like sunny. It's about 83 degrees. It's a cloudy day, but the sun is coming in and out. And my weather app said it was a 10% chance of rain. But hopefully I don't get any. And I was just thinking, man, it seems like just a couple of months ago, last year when I did my birthday ride, if you saw that video, I was riding with my son. On his Kawasaki Ninja 626. But he rode with me for my birthday and took me out to eat. Man, time just flies by. And here it is, another year. And I just thank God that I'm healthy enough to still ride. Yeah, I'm gonna ride up to the Honda dealership where I purchased the bike. The other day when my son and I went to the chili cook-off at the Harley dealership, we stopped by the Honda dealership. And the manager told me, well, I told him it was, you know, my birthday coming up. And he told me to make sure I come by on my birthday. I mean, it's just a ride for me. I'm not really expecting anything, you know, maybe a t-shirt. I'm not looking for anything. Hey, I'm just taking a ride. And I'll show you some footage from where my son and I stopped in there after the chili cook-off. Hey man, y'all need to go to work, man.
What's up, man?
What's happening, Rodrigo? It's my son, man. He'll be ready to come buy a bike in a little bit. Brent.
Break. Brent.
Brent.
Brent. Okay. Sorry, man. Sometimes it's hard to understand names. What's going on today?
We just ride, man. I told him I'm gonna come by and let him see where I bought the bike at.
Look, we need to get him to sit on some bikes to see what he'd like it.
He ready. Trust me, he ready.
What do you like, cruisers? Like your dad? Or sport bike? What's a adventure bike? Your dad, I like the cruisers.
We gonna start him off with cruisers, man. So it's really not far from here. I just have to go on a feeder. I don't even think I have to get on the freeway. I mean, if he didn't give me anything, man, I'm just taking a birthday ride, baby. actually went the long way around just to get a little more riding in. See, the sun is back out. Sun keep dipping in and out, but man, hey, I'm enjoying it. Here's my exit, man. That came too fast. When I leave the dealership, I'm gonna have to find somewhere else to go. But we just sliding, baby. I finished running all of my errands, so I'm gonna stop at the dealership, say what's up to the owner, then we're gonna get back on the road. Let's walk in here and see what's going on. I'm back, man. You told me to come on back.
Somebody's birthday today. Actually, Gene, you know that this man that is celebrating one more year in his life?
Oh yeah? You're gonna give him a birthday present?
And look, I've had, what, 4 years on the bike. I bought the bike here in 22.
4 years.
Yeah, I bought it 22.
That's pretty cool.
Don't look like that long, huh? Hey, so, look, go ahead and say hello to my slider
I'm a
crew.
little bit shy, but I'm Rodrigo with Honda of Houston. Today we were celebrating his birthday today. It was pretty cool to see that when he gave me this sword the first time and he never rode a bike before and just wanted to get into it, and right now that's part of his life. Motorcycle became a daily thing.
There it is.
And we just want to celebrate with him his birthday today. Let's see if we can get him a good gift.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. Let's see what Rodrigo got over here. I wasn't expecting anything, but uh-oh, he's taking me to the upstairs dungeon. Oh, the goodies, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see what the goodies are. Oh, yeah, all the goodies up here. I don't need to be up here, man, because I know I need me another helmet, too. Man, I like this jacket.
Look, I'll go downstairs and wait, but I already told the guys. See what do you want in here? I have 150 bucks.
Wow.
Cool?
150?
150.
Man, I appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. We
Thank
don't
you.
want to appreciate you.
I
I
w-
like to see you're enthusiastic for bikes.
Yeah.
And yeah, see the progress that you made from the day we say hi to each other.
Right.
And today's bike is your life, my friend. You
Oh,
deserve
man. Man, hey, you get me all misty eyed here, man. I
it.
appreciate it.
You guys make this possible.
You know what?
But Mr. Graggett is there. He knows the drill.
Okay.
Just talk with him. Look at what you want.
Okay.
Get it with the Grag.
Hey, man, I appreciate it.
Cool. I'm downstairs.
Oh, man. I was expecting a t-shirt or something. That man said $150, man. I could get, pretty much anything I want within that price range. And so, yeah, I mean, they have a really good selection in here, man. So, what am I gonna look at? I do need another helmet. What you think? What should I get? Gloves? Should I get gloves? Should I get a helmet? There's some nice modular helmets here. I mean, I have 3 or 4 jackets, but I really like this brown one. What do you think? Man, do I just take the jacket just to take it? Or maybe I can just ask for a gift card and come back another day. We'll see. But it really is a nice jacket. All right, man. I really didn't find anything, so I'm gonna go downstairs for a few minutes and look around, and then I'll think about it, and we'll try it again. Give me a tire. About $150. I need a tire. That's definitely one of the things I need.
What's up?
What's happening?
Not much. How you been?
Say hello to my channel. So she was one of the salespersons. She done moved up now that sold me the bike, but she done moved up now. You been okay?
I'm doing good, yeah.
That's good.
M&M's, waiting for work.
Waiting for work. All right, man, I couldn't find anything I wanted, but I just talked to the owner again, and I'll be back in the next week or two to get front and back tires done and for them to install it, and he gonna subtract that 150 from that. Hey, that's a blessing, man, and I really appreciate it. We're gonna get back on this road. Sliders and gliders. Hey man, your boy done made it back home. It's still a beautiful day, man. I tell you, I wasn't ready to come back. I found all kind of different ways to come home, man. I just took the long way around. Hey man, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to thank y'all for sliding with me. I appreciate you riding with me and rocking with me to the end. Hey, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. Hopefully you had a great day too. Hey, make sure you keep tools on the ground, and make sure you keep your head on the swivel. Hey man, we'll see you in the next one. Later.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.